Hello everyone, this is Julian from Canna Coffee, and today we have a Delonghi La Specialista with us in the shop, and I came in for this really weird issue that the machine was just permanently stuck into scale mode. And so after a lot of testing and actually doing a lot of bench tests with Delonghi themselves, we were able to pin down the issue, and what the issue was is a mix of two things. One, probably the board. This is your board that goes right. It's kind of situated like this. So a slot right here, right behind the screen. You got all your buttons, of course. That's just a connection. And then you got, of course, your two knobs. Now, they recommended that we swap this, but also, when we went in there, we realized that the knob was broken. And so what we believe is this goes here. This usually has a stem that slots right into there so that when you twist it, it moves this little rotary and then it clicks specific options. And so when the stem broke, I'm believing that the stem broke on the descaling mode, or like right in between the descaling mode and coffee. And so it was like trying, it's like sometimes it'll pop into the descaling or sometimes it'll go to coffee. And so yeah, after replacing both, I have yet to see the issue arise. And so yeah, you got a new knob, and then you have, of course, the new board that's inside of there. And as you can see, all it's really wanting is just a cleaning. And so yeah, after that we tested the rest of the machine. We're gonna see if we could brew a shot here, unless the portafilter's not with us. I don't think this machine came with a portafilter, so we won't be able to brew a shot, but I will be able to mimic a shot just by clicking that. So water's going to come out through the front, a few splashes here and there. Just that's what we would consider pre-infusion or wetting. Some manufacturers call it that. And after a while, the pump will automatically turn on, as you can see, and start revving a constant stream. Turn that off and wait for it to heat up again. Then we're going to try hot water, which comes out of that secondary spout on the right, as you can see. Turn that off, and then we're going to do steaming just to make sure everything works. And yeah, and of course, if you move this knob into any of the three positions, it will actually, so say I left it on Americano and I clicked it, it will start, I believe it will start with hot water. No, it won't. So it actually brew a shot, and then it will hit the hot water on the hot water tap right after. And so, yeah, as you can see, it'll go through there, so we know the knob's working, we know that board's working also, and then coffee is just a longer espresso shot. But if you were to go into descaling, it will prompt you to descale. That's about it for this repair. If you like the video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.